Alright, we have here the KJK hunting trail camera, model LK227. It's powered by 8 AA batteries that come in the kit. So when you open your box, you have 8 good-looking batteries in there. Look at them. Okay, it comes with that. It comes with a USB cable to connect the camera to your computer if you want to download the images and videos. It comes with a manual. In this case, I have the old one. There will be a new manual. If we take a quick look at this, I'm going to scroll through. That's how the manual looks like. It comes in 2 languages, English and German. We do have a mounting kit, a fixed mount kit. We can mount this with screws and dowels, let's say, to a wall or post. And here we have the regular ties where we can tie it to a tree. Alright, so this is how this camera looks like. We have 3 motion sensors, a lot of infrared lights, and a camera in there. Let's look at the side, and this is where you would open and close the camera. Here is a little loop for a lock. Okay, that's the bottom of it. Is a waterproof. We have a mount for a tripod, or for this mount you can screw this on here. There's hinges on this side. We have here a rubber plug to plug up the external power. So if you want to power this from a external battery kit, solar panel or whatever, we have that. That's the top. Bottom. So it's overall looking pretty good. Let's take a peek inside. There we go. We have a battery compartment with instructions, so in case you lose the manual, you are not completely lost. And on this side we have the camera section. We have a TFT color display. We have nice buttons, easy to push. Over here with a speaker. Then here on the bottom we have connections. We have the on, set up and off switch. We have the USB connector for this micro USB cable here. We have an audio video input. AV in, audio in. And then here we have the SD card slot. The micro SD card and this camera comes with the card already. So there is one in there. Okay. That's there. And then here in the battery compartment there is a little string attached to it. So if you pull down and up, you can remove this and there is room to insert your batteries. Very neat little camera, and in the next video I will show you how to set it up for the very first time.